Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's quick tutorial is on how to add and set up a search bar on your Wix website. In a world of instant gratification, a search bar is essential for helping your visitors find products, blog posts, or services in seconds. These steps relate perfectly to each other to help you build a smarter, more guided search experience. First, you need to install the Wix Site Search app. Head over to your editor, click on the App Market icon on the left, and search for Wix Site Search. Click Add to Site. This automatically drops a search bar into your site's header and creates a brand new search results page. This setup is vital because it ensures that no matter where a visitor is on your site, they always have a way to find what they need. Next, you need to decide what actually shows up in those results. Click on your search results elements and hit Settings. Under the Show on Search tab, you can toggle exactly what content is searchable, like your store products, events, or blog posts. This relates directly to your business goals. For example, if you're an e-commerce site, you can use the Reorder tool to prioritize products so they appear at the very top of the list above your blog articles. The next connected step is customizing the search suggestions box. This is the magic part of the search bar that suggests items while the user is still typing. To edit this, go to your Pages and Menu tab and select Search Suggestions. Here, you can enable trending items to show off your most popular contents before they even type a single letter. You can also toggle results suggestions so they see small thumbnails of products directly in the search dropdown, which significantly boosts engagement. Finally, don't forget the small details that make the search feel professional. In the suggestion settings, you can enable a Show All button and even add an animation to the suggestion page to make the transition feel smooth. Once you're happy with the layout, hit Publish and try searching for a few keywords yourself to make sure the most important pages are popping up exactly where you want them. That is literally it. If this guide helped you make your site more searchable and user-friendly, please smash that like button and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. Drop a comment below if you want to see how to exclude specific hidden pages from your search results next, and I will see you in the next one.